Hi. Hello. Welcome back, my dearest friend. Ito ang pagbabalik natin sa ating programa, Dear MJ. At ito pa rin inyong makakasama, your favorite DJ online. My name is MJ.
Lastimosa.
And we would like to give thanks for those who are our subscriber, to our YouTube channel, and to our Facebook account. Thank you very much, mga best friend, dahil marami na tayong mga subscriber nagpapalo sa ating Facebook account. Meron na po tayong mga best friend na 1.1k followers. And beforehand, mga best friend, follow niyo po ako sa aking Facebook account, MJ Banal. And then to my YouTube channel, MJ Gakal. And binabati natin mga online subscriber, online watchers sa iba't ibang sulok ng ating bansa, sa Luzon, sa Visayas, at sa Mindanao. And syempre, mga watcher natin over there abroad. And we will get to thanks most especially to our watchers and subscriber that we are gaining more ratings and more watchers over there at Bicol region. Ang dami po nating mataas po ang rating natin over there at Bicol region. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo mga best friends sa ating programa, Dear MJ, and then our opening music. And here we go.
Wait lang, wala lang. Hey!
When divine
And still, ako pa rin yung makakasama. Walang iba. Kundi ang nag-iisang si MJ. MJ Banal. And mga best friend, meron po tayong bisita dito sa ating studio for tonight. Ipapakilala ko po sa inyo mga best friend. Isang magandang bisita. Nagmumula naman po dito sa Metro Manila, NCR, Pasig City. At ito po ang beauty queen ng Pasig City. Ito po siya mga best friend. Yan po ang ating bisita sa ating studio for tonight. Nagmumula naman po sa Pasig City. At ipapakilala ko sa inyo mga best friend. Sige, you can introduce yourself, my best friend.
Makati from Night. Kayang paligayahin yung mga gabi nyo, by the way. I am Maka again. Ako para sa mga makating araw ninyo.
Yan po ang ating bisita sa for tonight. Nagmumula naman po sa Pasig City. At sabi niya, paliligayahin daw po kayo nila. Niya. Comment lang po kayo. And for your dedication and your request, sa inyo naman po yan sa ating messages account 0994951320. And for your comment over our Facebook, just search MJ Banal. And for our subscriber to our YouTube channel, just search And don't forget to push the button, subscriber button, in order you to watch update my videos over at YouTube. My YouTube account is MJ Kaka. And mga best friend, yung visitor natin would like to greet. And ibibigay natin sa atin yung opportunity para para batiin yung mga taong nais niyang batiin.
Nice. Gumalaw ba?
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so bright. Never seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. Looking for a little romance, given half a chance. I have never seen that dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair that catch your eye. I've been blind, lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here. It's just you and me.
Kanta na yan.
It's where I wanna be. But I hardly know. This beauty by my side, I'll never forget the way you look tonight. I've never seen you looking so gorgeous as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so bright. You were amazing. Never seen so many people wanna be there by your side. And when you turned to me and smiled, you took my breath away. I have never had such a feeling of complete and utter love as I do tonight, lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here.
Lady in Red, popularized by Christy Bors. And for tonight, my best friend, ang ating bisita sa gabing ito, nais magbigay ng mensahe over there sa ating mga listeners. And ito na siya. Say.
Hello mga listeners! Kung meron man, madala makakakin, Makati. Ang sasabihin sa inyo lahat sa mga listener, huwag kayo mapagod makinig sa video kay MJ. Ano? Kaya patahimikin ang mundo ninyo, tandaan ninyo. At kaya na niyang pinagayahin kayo basta sa kanyang patagpuman lang. Kaya mga kaibigan, mga makikinig, once again, kung gusto na ang ang buhay ninyo, ako pala si Maka. Kahit pangudin yan. Pero yung kaibigan ko, siya na bahala sa inyo.
Nakakatawa naman po ang mensahe ng ating bisita for tonight. Yan po naman si Maka. Para sa mga gustong
Matikman ako?
makipag
Akala ko matikman ako.
makipag best friend or maging friend over at Messenger or sa Facebook.
My Facebook name is Maka space M-A space C-A na short, Maka talaga.
Parang hindi naiintindihan. For those who want na maging friend si Maka, search nyo lamang po sa Facebook Maka. And pwede po kayo mag-message sa kanya dahil promise niya. Ano nga bang promise mo?
Para sa gawin ninyo, kakamutin ko na lang yan.
Mga best friend, ito palang ating visitors, guest for tonight ay medyo marunong manggamot. Pero ang kanyang specialty ay panggagamot sa mga nangangati.
Kaya ka, Mak. That's all, Mak. Kasi ano, Mak, ang Makati.
Ang kanyang gamutin, mga best friend, ay yung mga kati-kati sa inyo. handa siya. Nakamuti. Ano man yung mga kati sa inyo? Contact nyo lang. Search nyo lang. Maka.
Tapi ano, wala bang comment dyan? Dapat
Kakamutin yan. Tuloy-tuloy tayo mga best friend
magaling tayo ulit.
sa ating programa.
Or, bawal na ako eh.
Tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa ating mga musika. Magbigay sa inyo ng mga gandang mga awitin.
For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain.
Tas ano,
For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue, and then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel.
makakataman. Gusto ko
And
nakatawa.
all that I'm worth
Makakatawa na
is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why,
Gusto ko nakatay.
now I do.
Irit ko ba?
'Cause God gave me you. For all the times
Gusto ko.
wore myself in like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that. For every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. Every time I'm finally free, and I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm so new. Every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I want is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. God gave me you.
That is, God gave me you. Yan nga ba, binigay ka sa akin ng may kapal? Or binigay sa atin yan ng ating may may kapal para mahalin natin yung isa't isa. Kasi ang policy natin sa pag-ibig ay we are in mutual, mamahalin at mamahalin ka rin. Pero mga best friend, yung visitor natin for tonight, nais niya na magsalita or nais niya maging magkaroon ng experience online.
Try ko na video, okay?
Eto, bigyan natin siya ng daan. Eto siya.
Hello sa mga tao there. I would like to say, salamat sa mga nakikinig sa kaibigan ko kay MJ Banal. Napakabuting kaibigan niya, walang masasabi. Since ako baguhan dito, kaibigan naman niya ako. I would like to say sa mga nakikinig at sa walang kumpay na mga nakikinig sa kanya. Huwag kayo mapagod. Huwag ikasanggan niyo ako. Andito ako para sa inyo. Mag-request kayo any kind of song. Ako na bahala.
Nakakatawa mga best friend. Ang ating guest for tonight. Yan po si Maka. Ang aking kaibigan. Taga-subaybay. Taga-subscribe. And watchers sa ating YouTube channel. And sa ating Facebook account. Para sa mga nakakilala sa kanya at nakikinig din or makakanood ng aming vlog for tonight, ito daw nga ang kanyang request para sa mga nakakilala sa kanya. Yung mga tao bumigo. Bumigo sa kanyang puso. Inihatog niya raw itong awitin para sa inyo, yung mga tao na yung yung mga kanyang inibig noon na binigo siya noon at ngayon may pagkakataon pa rin daw po kayo na ayusin ang lahat para maging okay ang inyong future. Ito ang handog na awitin niya para sa inyo, yung mga nang-iwan.
Closing your eyes na.
nag-iwan sa kanya. Dito sa aking kasama sa ating studio sa gabing ito. Sa mga minahal niya at iniwan siya. May pagkakataon pa rin daw po kayo
Wala na.
para ayusin, para balikan yung mga nakaraan. At ito po,
Kasi kubra ko.
at ito po ang kanyang awitin na handog para sa inyo. Nagmumula naman po kay makahandog para sa inyong lahat, mga best friends.
Just filled a suitcase full of regrets. I hailed a taxi in the rain, looking for some place to ease the pain. Oh, and like an answered prayer, I turned around and found you there. You really know where to start, fixing the broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. And now I don't understand what I'm going through. It must be a plan that led me to you. Because the hurt just disappears in every moment that you are near. Yeah, just like an answered prayer, you make the loneliness easy to bear. You really know where to start, fixing the broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. Soon the rain will stop falling, baby. I'll forget the past, 'cause here we are last. You really know where to start, fixing the broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams are falling apart. Fixing a broken heart. Fixing a broken heart.
Gusto ka naman.
Fixing a broken heart. Ayusin po daw natin yung mga bagay-bagay na nakakaroon tayo ng fall sa ating mga relasyon. Kaya ano man yun mga best friend, ano man yun na nakakamali tayo, may panahon pa tayo. We have a time para baguhin at suyuin kung sino man yung ating mga minamahal para maging ma-fix natin yung pagmamahal natin sa kanya. And then, mga best friend, para din hindi mawala yung mga alaala yung mga alaala sa bawat isa. Ito ang ating handog na awitin para sa inyo. Sana magustuhan niyo.
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirits rise, and so like the wind. This is love that I am in. I get lost. Is in this lost romance that never undone? 'Cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. And I don't mind not knowing what I'm ready for. You can take me to the stars. It's like we lost in heaven, and I'm lost in your eyes. I just fell down a line. Something's there we can't deny. And when I first knew you, it was when love first looked at you. And if it finds my way, if salvation seems far away, I'll be found when I am lost in your eyes. No, never mind that we wait what I'm headed for. You can take me to the stars. It's like we lost in heaven, when I'm lost in your eyes. I just wait, no one is in this lost romance. Will you come when I am lost in your
Yan mo naman.
Hey!
Yan mo naman ang ating bisita for tonight na kumakanta. Sobrang nag-i-enjoy sa ating programa. Sa ating programa, walang iba kundi yung pinakaabangan tuwing Sabado ng gabi. There in Jay. Dahil po ang ating programa, mapapanood niyo po yan sa ating YouTube channel. Search nyo lamang po MJ Gakat. And for our FB account, MJ Banan
At Makati.
Nakakatawa magkaroon tayo ng partner over online program.
And overseas, kung nakati kayo, bumalik kayo ng Pilipinas, akong bahala.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo mga best friend sa ating paghahandog sa inyo ng magandang musika, magandang awitin. Ako pa rin yung mga kasama, ang inyong best friend online, your best friend DJ online. My name is MJ.
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit
Basta ka, bakit
and soar like the wind. Is it love Tis in this last romance quiet found where I am lost in your eyes. All the suns and boys like me, mga makakatiin ako ng gano'n.
Maybe it's intuition, but some things you just don't question. Like in your eyes, I see my future in an instant. And there it goes, I think I found my best friend. I know that it might sound more than a little crazy, but I believe I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. There's just no rhyme or reason, only the sense of completion. And in your eyes, I see the missing pieces. I'm searching for that I found my way home. I know that it might sound more than a little crazy, but I believe I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. A thousand angels dance around you. I am complete now that I found you. I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all
That is the music. Ay, yung I love you. For the night, my best friend, tuloy-tuloy pa tayo sa ating pagbigay sa inyo ng mga gandang musika. At ito pa rin po ang inyong mga kasama. Walang iba, kundi si MJ pa rin. MJ Banan. And then sa aking YouTube channel, MJ Gakan. And then don't forget to subscribe. Tapos the notification bell. Subscribe. And update my YouTube, my videos. Ulitin tayo mga best friends sa ating pagpapatagpo sa inyo. Pagbibigay sa inyo ng magandang musika, magandang awitin sa gabing ito.
If you ever leave it, baby, leave some morphine out my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save it. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I've made. Keep you by my side. Keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just let me close my eyes. What do they say if you walk away? Every day it'll rain, I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. See, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, but little boy, little watch me change their minds. Yeah, but you know I'll try. Pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make you right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies
my best friend, nagkaroon tayo ng technical error. Kaya nakarinig kayo ng ibang awitin na hindi naman dapat i-play natin. So, I'm sorry po. Technical error. At meron pa tayo ng lalabing ilang minuto sa ating programa. Ito po ang ating finale song. And then, magpapala na po ako sa inyo. Abangan niyo po ako ulit sa Sabado, Saturday night, sa ating programang Dear MJ. At ito ang pa rin ang inyong mga kasama, MJ Banana. Ito po ang ating final song. Bye-bye po sa inyong lahat.
Frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old years and cheers. Even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. My friends, with you.
Bye-bye. Kaya ano, pagula ka ng tutang ko. Nabili mo ka ng first day.
Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our dark